Hey guys, Regan Outdoors here. I'm back with my brother Justin. Been a little while since you guys have seen him. He's been kind of busy. And we're at the Humphreys Peak Trailhead right now. I know I've made 2 other videos for it, but hey, new people, new adventures. It's kind of different every time. So we're gonna go hike Humphreys Peak to the summit and hopefully get up there in a couple hours. Let's go check it out. So you enter the forest right away on this hike, and then after that you don't really pop out for a long time until you get above about 10,000 feet, and then you come out of the forest right below tree line. So how are you liking Humphreys Trail so far?
This is my first time doing it. It's fun. I'm feeling the altitude for sure, but we're going at a good pace, nice and slow. So
yeah,
I think it's going to be good.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, we went from basically 800 feet to 9,000 feet where we started in about 2 hours. So your body needs a little bit of time to acclimatize to that. And so usually if you're gonna go that low to this high, during the first part of your hike, you just wanna take it easy, go nice and slow, make sure you're drinking enough water, and bring some Advil in case you do get altitude sickness or symptoms of it. But some of the symptoms you really wanna watch are tunnel vision. You don't wanna have tunnel vision, bad headache, dizziness, nausea, and that sort of thing. And that's when you have to mitigate those circumstances and see, you know, if it's worth continuing or if it's worth going down. But so far so good, and I think my brother's gonna do great. You take a liquid break like that. All right, status report. How are the lungs feeling?
I feel like I'm starting to catch my second wind.
Good.
When I was first starting out, that was a monster. I was just like, oh man. But now I'm feeling a little better.
Yeah, it takes a little bit for your body to adapt and adjust to going from 800 to 9,000 feet. So right away you're gonna have that initial shock, but then, you know, you'll catch up to it, your lungs will catch up and you'll feel a lot better.
Yeah, it's starting to feel a little leveled out now.
Good. And here's where it gets a little rockier, but most of this trail, pretty much all this trail is very well marked and very little possibility of wandering off the trail. There's one section where some people do go up the boulder field by accident. I pointed that out in my last video with Ryan, and that's about the only part you can get lost. Perfect temperatures. It warmed up a little bit, so I took off my Melanzana hoodie, and now I'm wearing my Feroci soft shell. So the temperatures are just about perfect for that. My brother just crop dusted himself.
Woo, I got myself good at altitude.
Hey, I'm staying upwind of you. I'm staying up here where it's safe.
I don't know if it's safe up there.
Oh man, I hope you don't have to go poopy.
I don't think so, but who knows? We'll see. We got a lot of wooded area out here.
Yeah, the bad news is we are not halfway yet, so you got to hold that poop for a little bit. So we're taking it a bit easy on the pace today for 2 reasons. My brother hasn't done this, and he hasn't done a hike at altitude in quite a while, so we're going up pretty slow and letting him acclimate. And the other reason is because we have Mount Whitney coming up in a month, so we want to have more time on our feet, and we also want to be, you know, exposed to altitude for a little while longer, because Mount Whitney is 14,500 and change, so it's up there, and the more you're at altitude, the better it is for you. So we'll probably come up here, I don't know, maybe once more before we we hike Mount Whitney. Mount Whitney is 22 miles in a single day. I've done a video on that. Go check it out. It's in the YouTube channel there. And we're going to do another video on it. So hopefully it turns out as cool as the last one. I think it will. And I'll be shooting it in 4K this time. All right. Ready to hit the trail again?
Let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready.
So we have some clouds rolling in from the south pretty quick. Looks like they might have a little bit of rain. I don't know if they're stormy or not, but we're gonna keep pressing on. I've been up here and had to turn around, so you don't always make it, but we're gonna keep a close eye on the weather. And if we don't make it, I'll still make the video, because sometimes you need to see what it's like to go up and use your head and make the right decision. But so far, I'm pretty optimistic we'll be able to make this work. We'll see though, those clouds are moving in real fast. There's no clouds building on the summit, but the ones rolling in are definitely stormy. So there's the boulder field, but when you're hiking, you want to stay on this trail right here and not go any further. If you go out there and go up, you can get to the top, but it's a lot longer of a hike. Doing good, making good time. Weather's holding up. A little bit of clouds overhead, nothing to worry about yet. So we'll see. So last time I was up here with Ryan and Scott, we actually saw a family get lost and take the wrong trail up here. So if you see that log and stones, it's kind of pretty clear that you shouldn't go there. But when you're coming up the trail, it kind of naturally goes this way. So if you're not paying attention, you can kind of just hop over and keep going. But that's not the way you want to go. You want to go this way. See, the trail kind of goes like this, or you can go up here, either way. So make sure that when you do come up here, if you see a log, big rocks blocking a certain trail, that means that's off trail, generally. A little sunshine. There we go.
Nice.
Yep, trees are thinning. We're going to break tree line pretty soon here. You check it out. That's tree line right there.
Oh man, we're pretty much, we don't have far to go until we're above it.
We have a few switchbacks and then we're above tree line.
It already feels like it's thinning out a little bit.
Yeah, it is, which is nice. And the weather's holding great. We just had that one little rain cloud pass over us and that was it. And there is Acclimating Peak. Pretty cool, huh?
That is cool. It looks like it'd be tough to get to the top of that thing.
Yeah, there is a trail and you can.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But Humphreys is higher. That's where we're going. That's Snowball way down there.
Whoa.
So that's kind of sort of where we were.
Shows how far we've come.
Yeah. How are you feeling head-wise? Everything good?
It's good, Got that Rocky Mountain high, but I'm feeling like it's not anything big.
Nice. All right. Official elevation read. 11,400 feet. No camping beyond this point. I've actually seen someone camp right down there. It's kind of a cool spot.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, it's a nice spot. All right, so we're at 11,400 feet. We are very close to the saddle. And after the saddle, we hang a left and we kind of head out that way. Probably won't show it, but you see that little guy in white up there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're going to be.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and then we just kind of go over the ridge and that way. A couple false summits later.
Yeah, you can see the people making their way back down.
Yeah. So we're good. And so the saddle is right up here. So We're narrowing in on it.
Wow, we're getting close.
That's the saddle, and then we kind of go up and over and around, and a few false summits, and then we're there. Check out this view.
The other side.
Yeah, pretty sweet, huh? And there's our trail. You ready?
Yeah.
That's a shower right there heading straight for us, so
Get there.
it might miss us. We'll see. It's coming in quick. It'll beat us for sure. All right, well, I knew it was going to rain at some point today. We had a weather window, and we made it, but on our way back down, we got caught in a hailstorm. So we're under this tree right here, nice little evergreen, and it's pretty dry. So if you're ever caught in a hailstorm or a thunderstorm or anything like that, this is nature's umbrella. But check that out there. Yeah, look at those hail chunks. So we're just gonna wait this out, wait for it to pass. Looks like maybe it's got a few more minutes and it'll be done, and then we'll head back down. But yeah, I mean, that shows you definitely when you know it's gonna rain, you gotta time it accordingly. And if we were up on the summit right now, that'd be a mess. Well-defined trail, even though it's on lava, kind of scree, volcanic scree. It's still pretty well-defined. And we're just at about 12,000 feet right now, so we're getting up there. Not a bad view at all, huh?
Beautiful.
Look down there. That's the saddle. Way down there. You see how far up we've come? Quite a ways. So the climbing is, altitude gain is mostly out of the way. Just have a few hundred feet and a couple of false summits, and that's it. And it is windy, man. Woo! Trail off the cliff. Just kidding. It's that way. We're getting closer. Getting closer. All right, there's false summits, number uno and dos. Those aren't the real deal. And someone left a bag of dog duty up here. I mean, I hope that's dog duty.
Yeah.
Maybe you did it.
It might have been from that guy.
That is beautiful. All right, getting a lot closer to being done. Have 2 more false summits to go, and we're done. We'll find the real one. I knew you'd like this.
Amazing hike. It feels like we're hiking up into the clouds, you know what I mean? Like,
I know.
It feels like we're hiking in the sky, kind of.
It does. Yeah, the wind adds kind of a fun element, because the last time I was up here, there wasn't a lot of wind. It was pretty uneventful. It wasn't windy, it wasn't cold like this. Yeah. We're zeroing in on the summit.
Ooh, it looks like a million miles away.
A little bit of an optical illusion. It's not as far as you would think. I'm good. Let's turn
Yeah,
around.
let's turn around right now.
Let's turn around. We don't need to go all the way up. Just kidding. How do you like all the false summits?
I know. They're so
They awesome. Can I put that on YouTube? Okay, sweet. My last couple of videos were just like, oh, this is fun. Yeah, great hike. And
absolutely not. They're lying.
yeah.
It's fun now.
We'll be real about this one.
This is my second time, and I'll say it's a lot better the second time.
Yeah, yeah.
First time, you're like, I'm almost there, and then you're like, I hate this.
Then you're like, I'm almost there again. And
5
yeah.
minutes ago, I was like, we're there, right?
The first time I did it, I sat down and pouted on the trail. I'm eating my trail mix by myself.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, the first time I did it, I just kept seeing the false summits and was like, okay, are we?
Frustrating, yeah. I made it to the saddle last time, so I'm really proud I'm up here.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
You guys did it.
Good stuff. You guys get any altitude sickness or are you good to go?
She did. That's why we were kind of
Tiny bit.
Yeah. How you feeling now?
I made it.
Nice.
I was wondering if the orange helped.
It did. Half of it's still down there. Someone grabbed it on the way out.
Good job, you guys. Oh, that's what we should have brought.
We did toast when we got up here.
Nice.
To cheer.
Awesome. Is it your guys' first time?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. What did you think of, do you mind if I put it on YouTube? Is that okay?
Oh, no.
Okay, cool. What do you think of the false summits once you...
Oh, we about 10 of them were.
You're like, no,
more. Hey, it's right there. Come on. And then
That's the one.
another and another and another. So
Yeah.
Yeah, it was my
Right there
first
at the
time, and I
end.
kept pointing. I'm like, that's it, right? And he's like, no, that's not it.
No, those two aren't it, actually.
But he
It's
kind of kept leaving.
behind.
We're almost there. And then people kept saying, you're almost there.
yeah.
yeah,
You only have a mile to go.
Yeah, exactly.
it's a little motivation, though.
I lied to people down at the trail crest. They were like, how much longer? And I'm like, oh, like 30 minutes. But I was like, hey, if I didn't do that, they probably wouldn't come all the way up. It does, yeah. See, I told you, not much more climbing, I told you.
Oh my gosh.
There was climbing still. You lied.
I did. I honestly did.
2 hours ago, and they said it's an hour from here.
Yeah, when I told you guys 30 minutes, I knew it was more like an hour, but I could tell, like, if I
I was gonna give up.
If
and
I-
you're like, no.
if I told you
I was like, you
legit.
lied to me. It's not 30 minutes away.
Oh God, no. Right, let's see here.
Someone did that to me my first time up, and I was like, I appreciate
But
that.
it was
so,
everyone. Every time I kept on going, it's like, you're almost there.
yeah,
Almost there. No, I'm not.
I need water.
but you made it because you were thinking, hey, 30 minutes away, I'm almost here.
A new summit. I'm like,
You could have told me 4 hours and I'd have been like, okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Not her though. She would have been like, fuck you.
Yeah.
She told me today, she goes, I don't want to be your friend anymore. You're the toxic person in my life.
Well, you made it though. Do you
He's broken up with me 18 times now.
do you guys mind if I throw you on my YouTube video?
No, of course not.
Okay,
Enough of that.
awesome.
Watch it.
All right, guys. So we are at the highest point in Arizona, and it is windy. So hopefully you can hear this. I got the windsock on the GoPro, so we'll see. That was a great hike. My brother did really well. He made it to the top. We paced it really slow just to be safe, and a lot of false summits. I kind of focused on that in the video that I edited, that I will be editing, I guess, in the future. future, but it'll be in this video.
You tricked me.
So if you don't know about the false summits right away and you kind of go up there, there's 4 or 5 places where you think you're almost there and you're not, but it's a great hike. And the windy, a little bit of rain, the windy conditions definitely made for a little more fun, and switched it up. Speaking of which, look at that. But for the most part, we dodged the rain, so the weather held out well, and it was just a lot of fun taking my brother up here, seeing him get up here for the first time. And in a month we're going to do Whitney, so it'll be a whole different beast, and I think you're ready for it. All right, well, that was a fun one. Good job.
Thanks, brother. That was fun.
Fist bump. Until next time.